Waking up at 3 a.m., again, you're not alone. If you're constantly waking up in the middle of the night and feel tired, foggy, or just done in the morning, there might be a hidden reason behind it. But hey, I'm Dr. Michael Davidson, and I'm here to help you understand what's going on and how to fix it. Did you know that 1 in 3 adults suffer from insomnia at some point in their lives? That's a lot of people dragging themselves through the day. Let's dive into why this happens and how to get you sleeping soundly through the night. Let's be honest, what you do before bed matters more than you think. That late-night Netflix binge, the coffee you had at 4 p.m., the midnight snack, it's all affecting your brain's ability to stay asleep. Your brain's like a supercomputer. It needs time to wind down from the day's processing. Here are 5 things that silently wreck your sleep. Caffeine or alcohol before bed, eating too late at night, endless scrolling on your phone, late naps, smoking or vaping. Caffeine, for example, is a stimulant that stays in your system for hours. Alcohol might make you feel sleepy initially, but it disrupts your sleep later in the night. The fix? Cut these out for a few nights and watch how your sleep transforms. Trust me, your sleep will thank you for it. Ever notice that when you're anxious, your sleep falls apart? That's not just in your head. Your emotional state plays a huge role. Stress triggers your fight or flight response, raising your heart rate and flooding your body with cortisol. Instead of letting stress control your nights, try incorporating relaxation techniques into your evening routine. Think of it as hitting the reset button on your nervous system. Try this: a hot shower, a 10-minute meditation, or even deep breathing before bed. These practices help calm your mind and signal to your body that it's time to relax. Calm your nervous system equals deeper sleep. By managing stress and prioritizing relaxation, you're setting yourself up for a more restful night's sleep. Did you know your brain burns through energy all night long? It's like a car running on fumes. It needs fuel to keep going. If your blood sugar drops too low, your body goes into emergency mode and releases cortisol to wake you up to refuel. If you find yourself craving snacks or wandering to the kitchen at night, this could be why. Consider eating a light, protein-rich snack before bed to stabilize your sugar levels. Something like Greek yogurt or almond butter on toast could do the trick. The protein and healthy fats in these snacks provide a slow and steady release of energy, preventing those drastic blood sugar dips. It's all about finding a balance. And of course, if you have any underlying medical conditions like diabetes, talk to your doctor about managing your blood sugar levels effectively. So why are you waking up at 3 a.m.? It could be your routine, your stress levels, or even your blood sugar. The good news? You can take back control of your nights. Remember, getting a good night's sleep is crucial for your physical and mental health. By addressing the underlying causes of your 3 a.m. wake-up calls, you can improve your sleep quality and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. If this video helped, give it a like and share it with someone who's sleep deprived. Hit subscribe for more mental health tips and sweet dreams.